follows when there's big moves on indexes.
Go look at an hourly Bitcoin chart.
Yeah, it's getting hammered. Look at the daily, dude. This is exactly what I was talking about on Discord. Give it a 20% red week, and all the noobs that have been FOMOing are going to feel the real pain.
So somebody explain Tether to me.
Fake money. It's the fake Fed. It's the crypto Fed. They print dollars.
USDT Tether, right? It's tied to the dollar.
Supposedly backed, yeah.
They settled today for like 18 mil. I think everything's legit now.
What's wrong with it, or what's the issue with it?
I think the SEC just audited Bitfinex and was like, "Hey, can you prove that there's actually U.S. dollars backing this?" And then they did. And then I don't know why they settled. I didn't read too much about it, but pretty much it was just FUD.
Done.
The thing with Tether with all the normie traders is you have like a bunch of traders that don't think it's backed by anything. It's all scam. And then you have a bunch of traders that are like, no, they are backed, and they're showing the SEC and what Bitfinex has done to prove that they are backed. It's been going on for years.
Yeah, this is like year 4 of the same fucking FUD.
Oh, which did they prove that it is backed by something?
Bitfinex paid back 500 million to the USDT Treasury, and then I think that pretty much cleared everything up. I don't know why they settled for 18 mil. Something must have been wrong, but they did settle.
Why would somebody put money in Tether though, if it's dollar for dollar?
The stable coin.
You can like transfer it more efficiently to make trades if you're a large account.
Oh, okay. For like, well, that'll explain why I needed to convert it to Tether before I could take it out in one of my crypto accounts.
Hey, Kirby. No, I'm red on today's one of my biggest red day of the year. Actually, I would have made money if my fucking VIX priced in, but I'm actually red on VIX today, if you can believe that.
Can't believe I'm red on silver now. It's fucking retarded.
I'm down 5% on VIX on one of the biggest red days of the year. Yeah, I'm still green on silver, but I'm down 10% on the day on silver contracts.
RKT is green. XLF is green.
When's Rocket's earnings? Tomorrow?
I think after market.
Oof. Godspeed, man.
No, yeah, they're tomorrow. I mean, at this level, I don't see how it could go down even more after earnings.
Do you guys see where SPY bounced? If you take a line, wow. Hang on, I'll post it.
You alright over there?
Why is at the high of day? This thing's it's gonna fucking close green.
I'm almost green on Apple, dude.
I'm thinking about taking a SPY butterfly for Friday.
If I added to Apple where I should have, I'd be fucking super green.
We gotta hope it just doesn't go for a fucking gap fill and then dies.
I'm up like almost 3% on Apple. It's a pretty big day for Apple.
Yeah, Kirby, Rocket's not, it doesn't look too bad chart wise, but you have earnings and I don't play earnings. Sticky's trading it.
If you take a trend line from the COVID low, that's literally where it bounced.
No shit, huh?
I'm thinking like a 390, 392, 395 for Friday.
My trend line's a little different.
If you take the body close days on October 30th, not the wick.
I gotcha.
Body close on October 30th, and yeah, it bounced off this would be the fourth touch of that trend. Crazy, huh?
And then the 390. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. A
Good old
390,
school price action, boys.
390,
Fucking
392, 394.
everyone's screaming and crying. All we had to do was just buy a trend line touch, like fucking it used to be.
It's a 96% regression. Wasn't for my SPACs, I'd be green. SPACs are scams. Here comes the gap fill on Apple. Let's see if it can stay above it. I'm about to be green on Apple. What a fucking joke, dude. You'd love to see it.
Look at the AMD weekly, Deja. Is this somewhere you'd start getting options on?
On what, AMD?
Yeah, the weekly. The daily looks good too.
Yeah, disgusting. It's got 618 bounce. You have a pivot bounce, daily pivot, 4-hour pivot. Yeah, it's clean. Looks like a lot of the other charts where they're pulling back to test pivots.
Good OEG, boys. It's so nice to see a fucking green number on my screen. Jesus Christ. They're getting bent over for fucking 6 days straight.
Yeah, Kirby, I hear you. I think the pullback was pretty healthy for the most part. I think seeing how strong everything's recovering, it seems like a lot of people were waiting for that pullback. A lot of stocks are being bought up very, very quickly, so we're seeing a lot of big players step into with the block trades. The scanner, all my block trade scanners were showing big block trades coming in on a lot of different stocks. Snapchat was one of the big ones. Snapchat had a big block trade basically towards the low of the day today, and look at that thing ripped. U was one of them, had a block trade towards the low, basically right on the pivot. A couple of other ones I posted in the Discord, they all had really big block trades. So big players were taking big chunks of shares while everything was falling. So I think people were definitely waiting on that pullback. This Apple daily is one of the most disgusting dailies we've seen on Apple, like pretty much ever. We're green on Apple. We just turned green on Apple for the day. Disgusting. Hey, Demigod. Costco is the only thing I'm worried about overnight. I bought this because it was bouncing so heavily off the pivots. Now we're back down to the pivots. Not getting a lot of buyer support here. Yeah, I can look at apps. Haven't seen that today. Same thing with apps. Almost every chart that looks like this, they pulled back to retest some kind of pivot or some kind of support, and they're bouncing really heavily off of those levels. As long as the support that was put in today holds, this was nothing but a pullback. Even Tesla's coming up on my scanner right now, popping up pretty hard. Tesla had the same style of a chart. It ripped down, pulled back to that pivot, bounced off that pivot. It went through it pretty heavily. But now we're back above it. It's holding the anchored VWAP from the breakout. It's going to be really hard to predict, though, without seeing tomorrow. We got to wait for tomorrow and see if everything continues to bounce.
So that Woods accident was just his car only?
I'm guessing so. Kind of
Looks
looks like he
they
like
just
rolled off the road or something.
Yeah.
If there's another car, they probably already paid them off. Mike Tyson said that like most of his money went to paying people off when he did something really stupid.
Oh God.
I wouldn't doubt it, and the amount of fucking hookers and porn stars he's banged.
Yeah, and coke that he does.
I lived like in Bethesda where he had a house, and the one time he had like a traffic accident, he got out and punched the guy. How fucking scared would you be if you were that guy? Mike Tyson's coming at you all angry.
Yeah, that doesn't look sober at all, Smoochie.
He looks wrecked. You would think like his handlers would assign a driver to him.
I figured when you're worth that much, you can't be alone for long.
Yeah, exactly.
Smoochie, is that unedited? Oh God.
Dude, he looks so wrecked. Yeah, I really don't understand why he's like driving himself places if he's all wrecked when he could have like a million drivers.
Dude, what are Friday lottos on Apple? This chart is fucking disgusting. Maybe take like 130s that expire Friday.
I filled the gap. I'm in a butterfly for this Friday.
Should have taken those lottos fucking earlier. They're ripping.
That's like what, 500% from the low?
Dude, the 130s were 10 cents. Now they're 55.
That's fucked.
Oh, yes, it's green on the day now too.
Look at the daily close on these charts, dude. Look at daily Apple, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon. They're some of the most disgustingly bullish dailies we've seen. If Apple closes like this with no top wick, you could probably easily take Friday lottos.
Look at ES. Wow.
Yeah, ES closing back above the 21 EMA.
Tesla back at 700.
That was fast.
Q's bounced right off the monthly VWAP. IWM generating a buy signal on the daily. Dow Jones looking really strong. Dow Jones looks like it's going to hit all-time high first. Usually when Dow Jones leads, it's a very healthy market.
Yeah, Dow Jones is up a lot
Yeah.
from the bottom too.
It's basically the healthiest market you can have if Dow Jones is leading because it's the
It's only
slowest, most stable index.
it's almost back at its all-time high.
Yeah, it's really strong.
Like 50 points off the all-time high.
It's the boomer value companies that are holding it up. Look at the value indexes. All the value ETFs are doing very well. All-time high just got put in on IVE. VONV putting in an all-time high. IWD putting in an all-time high. All the value ETFs are hitting all-time high. These have options. Let me see. IWD. They're not very traded. IVE. Not traded. And then VONV. Also not traded. So not a lot of options on those. IDT is very undervalued. What is that? IDT Corp. Not familiar with this. Pulling back to retest the 21. Hey, Calvin. What's going on? Silver back above that daily pivot. Looking pretty good. I'm almost green on the day. I'm only down 2%. The only thing hurting me today is, well, everything's hurting, but really hurting is FMAC. McDonald's putting in a second buy signal, bouncing off the monthly VWAP. Snapchat, disgusting daily candle. Buy signal on the lows. If you bought the buy signal around 59 and a quarter, you're up huge. It's already at 67 and a quarter. You break above 68, you'll probably get 72 by the end of the week or maybe even next week. 72 to 75 would be the next area to take profit. PLTR, as far as a lot of the charts go that I've been looking at today, doesn't actually look that bad. Pretty decent
Down
recovery.
5%.
It's down 5%. It's not bad. You got a
Yeah,
daily,
considering how bad it was.
yeah, daily pivot that you're retesting. If you get back above that daily pivot, it's not terrible. Still could be a massive head and shoulders though. Zoom bouncing off the monthly VWAP around 369. You hold 369, it looks pretty good. Intel still looking really strong. Penn gave you a daily buy signal at 110. DraftKings recovered strongly. Look at Apple. Apple's back above both those 4-hour pivots. 4-hour closed, very strong, massive dragonfly. Look at the markets tearing. This is what me and JMay were trying to tell you in the morning, not to panic. I did not close a single position today that was outside of my penny account. My penny account is all in cash. My main account did not close a single position.
I'm trading this fucking thing to 0.
This is really, really bullish.
Yeah, it's insane. Look at the bounces.
Let's fucking go. This is what I like to see, man. Reversal, fucking beautiful.
Q's tripled your account. Yeah, I knew you'd be day trading that, dude. Fucking Q's and SPY. If you bought any lottos on that morning sell-off, they paid big time. Shit, any of the tech companies too. If you bought any of the tech companies, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, they fucking paid. These are massive moves on these tech companies when you're talking about options. Hundreds of percent. That's a 4.5% bounce on Facebook.
If you bought the bottom on options, you're fucking. I wouldn't trade for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, literally,
If you
dude.
actually put in size.
Holy shit. Apple is a 7% move from the lows. 7% move on one of the largest companies in the world.
Look at Tesla. Tesla
I think
almost
it
got
is
a
the
whole
largest
price
company
down.
in the world,
Is it
isn't
the
it?
largest? Yeah. I think
It's
Tesla.
almost
Oh, yeah, now that Tesla sold off, it probably is.
Well, it has the highest market cap, I think. Apple.
Look at Netflix. What percentage is that? Probably about 10. Oh, no, it's a little less, 6. Massive moves.
So what was the main thing that caused that giant meltdown this morning?
I don't think it was any
Algos.
I don't think it was any like one headline news announcement. I think people are just selling off.
Algos.
February is
Fuck.
notoriously one of the worst months of the year.
Computers fucking freaking out.
Well, yeah, that is true about February. So hopefully March, April, and May are historically 3 of the best months. So hopefully we get right back at it soon.
Yeah, March pops back pretty quickly.
And I really do think that with the stimulus that finally, whenever, I mean, it's going to come eventually. And if the market bounces back like it normally does, then March, April, May, I think the pennies could take off again. So we got to keep an eye on those things again. Hopefully coming up soon.
Yeah, I liquidated my penny account. Right now it's all cash, so waiting on some good plays.
Bro, this is almost like the fucking flash crash, bro.
Yeah, XLF looks good. I think it goes to 33.5 pretty soon. The banks are killing it. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, just absolutely tearing.
Dude, that totally was a flash crash. I mean, I've never seen. Well, I've seen it before, but my God, that was steep this morning.
Yeah, all the sector ETFs are just completely engulfing.
It looks like buyers are strong, bro. They don't want to give up.
Real estate doing really well. VNQ.
How's Zillow?
Zillow is usually doing well. Let's see. Yeah, bounced nicely. Back to a daily pivot.
I don't know if you're still on McDonald's, but McDonald's got like bullish news saying that they're entering the chicken sandwich war or some shit like that.
Yeah, I'm still in McDonald's. Mickey D's. Double bottom on the 15.
McDee's, baby.
McDonald's should stay out of the chicken sandwich game.
Dude, they fucking
Yo.
created the fucking chicken sandwich, dude.
Yeah, bro. You
Chicken
guys don't,
sandwich is weak compared to
Yeah,
everyone
it
else's.
is dog shit. I'm not denying it is fucking dog shit, but
It's the
bro.
worst chicken sandwich.
Do you guys remember the premium chicken sandwiches that McDonald's used to have? The
No.
I
bacon.
wouldn't call anything on their menu premium.
No, it was the BLT. It was the BLT. It was the BLT, and it had like one that good ass bread on top. I forgot what it was called.
Sourdough.
Ciabatta.
The
Nah,
brioche.
That
I
fucking
think it was like a
cream,
brioche
dude.
bread or some shit. It was a
Not
good ass
the
bread.
same.
I used to get it just for the bread.
Go to McDonald's, ask for the preem.
The thing I remember is them coming out with Mighty Wings and that just fucking flopping.
Bro, look at the market right now. Yes, it's up 0.5% after that nasty sell-off.
We're gonna close fucking green.
Holy
This
shit.
is
Yeah.
absolutely disgusting.
Disgusting. Spies flying, bro. Looks like Jay May woke up at the best timing once again. He took a nap and we're bullish again. Let's go.
Absolutely disgusting.
Yeah.
You look at how
Bad.
hard Tiger got pounded and then bounced.
Yeah, Disney's ridiculous. I think Disney goes to 202, 200 easily. Disney, just massive, massive day. It's doing well with the hospitality stuff. The whole hospitality sector is booming. I think Disney is expecting, or investors, I guess you should say, into Disney are expecting that their movies are going to start coming out more into the theaters. You're going to have their parks opening back up, their hotels, their cruises. Disney is in the hospitality business. So with all the other hospitality stocks, look at NCLH, look at CCL, look at Wynn today. Wynn's up huge. Like I said, everything that Bank of America called out on their report a few months ago, they're all killing it.
Dog. Tesla's about to take green. 709.
Yeah, Tesla recovery on Tesla's dirty. That killed a lot of people. Now
So you
imagine
don't short
Tesla.
fucking a freight train.
Imagine Tesla Lottos towards the low of the day today. Holy shit. Things up 15%.
Bro, yeah, bro.
I
From
would
600
never. I don't care if Tesla had 2 weeks down in a row. I would never fucking buy puts on Tesla.
Yeah,
It's almost like Bitcoin.
See, that's the problem. Is we called the top on Tesla, but I didn't want to take shorts on it because it's fucking
can't.
Tesla.
You can't do it.
And I would have got paid big time. I'd be on vacation right now.
Yeah, we've been talking about this for like 3 days. We were talking about, yeah, we should just fucking short Tesla, but it's the scariest shit ever.
Yeah, look at the weekly. Look at the weekly on Tesla. It's giving a buy signal. It's bouncing off the VWAP. Last time Tesla pulled back to retest a VWAP was back when it was 379 and it ripped all the way to 900. The lottos on Tesla are actually not that expensive. The 800 lottos are 160 right now. What were they going for this morning? Let's see. They were going for about 70 cents, 75. They've gone up a little bit. The delta on those contracts is 7. The theta's 90. So you would need at least 10 points to break even, about 12 points to break even. If you think Tesla's going to go up more than 12 points, everything after that is profit. Pretty damn risky lotto though, especially at this point.
So I'm down under 4% now.
Yeah, I'm down 2%.
Dude, I was
not
fucking
bad.
wrecked this morning. That was a great recovery. I'm happy as shit with today.
Fucking diamond hands.
Yeah.
What are those names I called out this morning? Let me see. Skills was the first one. Yeah, that thing's up huge. U was the next one. That thing's up fucking huge. Plug. How's Plug doing? Plug recovered beautifully. Snapchat. We already know what Snapchat looks like. Disgusting. You guys bought Snapchat when I told you to around 9:55 when the block trade came in. Thing is absolutely ripping. QS was another one. That one didn't recover too much. And then AAL, how's that one doing?
Remember this morning I had said that Snapchat got an upgrade to $80. That's pretty high.
Jesus, American Airlines
Yeah,
killed it
up
too.
almost 2%.
Yeah, Snapchat's killing it, Johnny.
I bought QuantumScape this morning. I think it was like right when you called it.
Yeah, that's one of the weakest recoveries out of that entire block trade list. It still doesn't look too bad though.
I bought it in a long-term account.
It's got a daily buy signal and it's reclaiming VWAP.
Yeah.
Not bad. Out of all the ones I called out this morning, Snapchat by far is the biggest gainer. Holy shit, about 16%. That's disgusting. Need Costco to find some buyers here at the close. I need this to close above both these pivots. If it closes above like 344, that'd be awesome. McDonald's green on the day. Ford is about a tick green. This has to be one of the fastest recoveries the market's ever seen.
It's
This is
always
like the
been
new
like
pace
that,
of the
dude.
market.
Just not always, but like every single time it pulls back so hard, just look what it does. It recovers within a day or two.
It's like we've always been saying, dude, these morning sell-offs cannot be trusted. They're being faded every single time.
Yeah, we were saying this morning that we're not fucking selling.
Yeah, almost none of us sold anything. That's what's funny
This
about
is like
it.
crypto, man. It just bounces so fast and so hard.
I think JMA telling you guys that he was fucking not selling a single thing definitely helped. Let his fucking
So
account go
I'm
to
going
zero.
to nothing.
I'm not fucking
We both
selling.
are.
It's like the
He
Wolf of Wall Street meme, dude. I'm not leaving.
He not only said he wasn't gonna sell, he said he'd rather let it go to zero.
And I honest to God, I would have stand by that.
Every time I think about selling on the way down, I think about JMA telling me that he never sells on the way down.
Remember I was talking about how like the last time I sold, this exact thing, exactly what's happening right now happened. And I was pissed and I regretted everything and I never sold ever again.
I unloaded some stuff, but most of it I bought cheaper, so I'm not really that upset about it.
You want to buy when people are selling and sell when people are buying.
Correct.
It's funny how you know that, but when things are going on, all that goes out the window.
Yeah, it's definitely hard to do when shit's like that is happening. But
Got to stay level-headed. It's not always so easy, but
I didn't sell a single thing today, but I didn't buy enough things today. That was my problem.
still, whatever, man. That's still pretty good considering what a rough day it was.
Yeah.
I was sleeping earlier. What did Powell have to say?
I didn't watch it.
I don't think he said much.
Yeah, it wasn't really too crazy. Talking about stable coins and shit with cryptocurrency.
What up, Huss?
Oh, there goes a Bitcoin bounce. A little bit of luck.
Try to say, man, short CCIV, long Tesla, baby.
45 seems to hold pretty well for Bitcoin right now, but we'll see, I guess.
You see, this was my fear. I was like, yeah. I think a safe pullback will be all the way to 44. I wasn't expecting it to do it in one day. You know what I mean?
It does it in like an hour.
Bro. Yo, so
It's a
quick.
crazy asset, dude. You go to bed and you wake up and you're like, what? Like, either way, you know what I mean? You'll be up 20% or you'll be down 30%.
Yeah, I was literally losing my shit when I woke up. I was like, bro, China woke up? They fucking chose war, bro.
That shit didn't even bother me, honestly. I'm like, oh well, man. Here we go again. I don't have my shit in Blockfolio like I used to either. If I did, I'd probably be way more nuts.
Why is this on FanDuel? One of their, if you scroll to the bottom of their app, it says "Do not sell." Exactly what we were just talking about. Here you go. Even FanDuel knows what's up. XLP still green.
Starting to figure it out.
What is that from? Do not sell?
I don't know. It's on the bottom of FanDuel. It's one of their like little things. Another block trade on Snapchat bullish above 69.
You know what I would love to see? PLTR fuck all the shorts and go straight to 35.
Don't jinx it.
Easy now.
I'm
Positive.
trying just not even to look. I'm trying not to look at it. I just opened up way more calls.
Trust, I'm hella down.
We got it. We got this. My calls are fucking crushing it right now.
OTG got this. We all in this bitch.
Hey Jay, that's awesome, man. You were down 13K this morning and now you're up 300.
Fucking shit.
Heard
Nice
JMA
job.
saying never selling. So you turned your phone off.
Try to say it's one of those days that you just turn
You
out.
just
the
need some
trading
support,
cards.
man. We're all here to support each other.
That really is everything, honestly.
I went from
you start stirring on your own and you start making stupid decisions.
I went from 6K down to 800 right now. Nice.
Lost a little today, but I think I also opened some positions that are going to make me way more than that. So whatever.
The LTR actually doesn't look that bad. It recovered nicely. You're still sitting under a big resistance though at what is that? 27. You gotta get back above 27. If it clears 27, it looks pretty good. 4-hour and daily pivot. Snapchat about to break 70, dude. Look at this fucking thing. Look at this thing go. Who bought the dip this morning when I said the block traders were coming in?
I bought QS and PLTR.
I bought a bunch of those actually. I bought almost all of them, but I sold a bunch of them earlier.
Yeah, Snapchat is fucking killing it.
I'm already like double sized in Snapchat.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're making money. What's even funnier, JMA, is your Twitter.
My profile
Yeah,
pic.
your Twitter profile pic is from that scene in that movie where he's telling people he's not fucking
Yep.
leaving. I'm not fucking leaving.
Hey, FCAC is doing okay.
Yeah, it's coming back a little bit. I need my FMAC to go up, dude. FMAC's my biggest SPAC.
Oh shit, I didn't even realize this week T-Dot has earnings. I think Friday.
If they kill earnings, fucking Kathy's getting paid. She's big in T-Doc.
Yeah, she's for sure gonna get paid.
Kathy always gets paid, dude.
That's true.
She's too fucking smart.
Dude, I can't wait to see what her fucking her list looks like today. What she
Right,
bought today, you know what I mean?
Bro, she's been buying Tesla every day too.
She probably bought
Yeah,
a
here's
lot
some
of shit.
bullish news. Fucking California governor signed $7.6 billion COVID relief package that would give $600 stimulus checks to 5.7 million Californians.
There you go. That's not bad.
That's sort of weird. It's like a consolation prize.
Snap is flying. It's at 70 now.
Yeah, dude, it's disgusting. Thing is on
What
fire.
is that? Up 11% today.
Look at the lows. It's up almost 20% from the lows.
Like 15 hours ago, fucking Morgan Stanley upgraded them to 80.
Yeah, it's like the first time ever they upgraded and it actually worked.
Actually fucking worked the next day.
You're right, 20% from the lows.
Yeah, it is disgusting. 24% from the low of day.
Hey, remember my random theory when like Snapchat beat earnings and I said that like social media stocks usually like rallies when Snapchat rallies.
Twitter's running with Snapchat right now.
You see, I bet you Pins is running, Facebook is running.
Twitter's overvalued, I think. I still am looking for a short opportunity on that.
Well, now that they're starting to invest in Bitcoin and stuff like that, who knows what they could do.
Look at this fucking daily candle on Snapchat. It's the biggest day it's ever had, I think.
Yeah, disgusting.
Besides, if you don't include gaps, it's one of the biggest days it's ever had.
Hey, go, 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 go.
Lulu's below the weekly trail, and the last time it was below weekly trail was during COVID.
Dude, look, it's about to hit my target already. My 72.69 target on Snapchat. It's about to get hit.
Look at Boeing. Boeing slowly climbing on the day. Vertical. It's like a V bottom.
Holy fuck, the buys coming in on rig.
FCAC's climb.
I said it this morning. I said Snapchat at 1 hour resistance, or when it recovered. I said break this resistance. There's nothing above it. Nothing in your
Target
way.
or
There's your target on Snapchat. Absolutely disgusting.
Up only.
Dude, I just did my last batch of juice. I just like finished off, you know, collecting everyone's order.
You got thousands of orders.
Money.
Dude, I fucking hold on, I'll tell you how many bottles I just sold. Fucking sold 2,073 bottles.
Jesus.
Hey, remember every single time I joke around about the whole Jesus thing?
You
That's
gonna
fine. Correlation.
you
is that like
gonna you gotta call your manufacturing lady, tell her you got a massive order coming.
She's doing it all for me, dude. She's shipping because I don't have room here to hold that many bottles.
Oh, she's gonna ship it out too. That's awesome.
Dude, I'm literally buying the labels, sending them to her. She's gonna fucking label everything and ship them to all the customers for me.
That's sick.
Bonus?
You're asking her like, fuck, why couldn't you have done this from the beginning?
Yeah, I know.
Deja, you see Enphase today?
Let me guess. It pulled back really hard. It's already back all the way back up. Yep. Enphase loves doing that shit, dude.
Dude, look at plug soaring.
Enphase bouncing off the monthly VWAP to 157.
Dude, didn't we say like when it does this? you
Every
gotta leave
time it has a big red day, you buy it because it fucking rips.
Yep.
Last time it did this was June 17th. That was the bottom.
You want to know the best part about this is that a lot of these charts now are so dumped on. They all not all, but a lot of them are just created bull divs.
JMA, remember
Yep.
that day Enphase dropped 30% out of nowhere? And we said
Yeah,
this
you
is
just
probably
buy
the
it.
bottom? It went up
Yep.
500% from that
Yeah, you just
fucking
buy
day.
it. Anytime that stock tanks, you just buy. I remember when that
Disgusting.
stock used to be like $5.
Yo, Deja, I forgot to say,
What's
bro.
up?
I randomly was just fucking around, tried to do an inverse bulldog on CCIV, and it worked.
Yeah, you can do them inverse. It's just really hard. It's hard for the brain to draw, dude. You gotta like make
Yeah.
the chart
I had
inverse.
to flip my phone.
Yeah. It doesn't make sense in the brain.
Like it's literally past my target and everything.
Deja, I'm trying to get filled on a March 180 for Enphase.
Yeah, good luck. Do they have good open interest? They're not traded very much. Yeah, 180s aren't terrible. Those things are expensive though. That's a lot of exposure. She had even one contract. Let me see. One contract, excuse me, is $7,500 of exposure.
The March 180s?
Yeah. It's 44 delta, so you're trading $7,500 worth of in phase per contract. Big exposure. If you went up to the 190s, which is a little more of a lotto, 35 delta times $170 per share, you're trading about $6,000 worth of exposure. We're only down 2% today. I'll take it. Johnny, that's pretty funny. That's a perfect fucking inverse bulldog.
I was actually shocked because I remember you set this playing around on Bitcoin last time or something like that, and it actually fucking worked. I remember you just tried it out, and he's like, "Oh, yep, that's the inverse bulldog." I was like, "Yo, shut up!" And then next thing you know, it actually played out.
They work,
So,
dude.
yeah, so today I want to see if it can actually work because I was just looking at descending triangle, but then I'm like, hold on, let me see if I can do an inverse bulldog, and it actually worked.
Yeah, it's basically a double top, and then it pushes lower and puts in a little handle. Costco, fucking below those pivots. If I would have put 30% of my account into Apple when I bought Costco, I'd be fucking sitting pretty.
Dude, some of these people in my group are like, "Oh, since you're done making it, can I get the recipe?" Like they're just trying to like fucking
Screw you.
not screw me, but they're just, I don't know, just fucking annoying.
They're trying to take his idea and make it their own.
Dude, holy shit, FCAC looks good, Johnny.
You like that?
Thing's
It's fucking
fucking
flying.
fully retraced. Daily buy signal on Ford looking real good. Five minutes until the close, guys. What a fucking day.
Tomorrow's
Felt
gonna
like
be
3 days.
tomorrow's gonna be a gap down.
Oh god, don't
You
say
think?
that.
Yeah.
I agree. Tomorrow's the big
You mean gap up?
No, gap down.
Oh god.
today was the tomorrow's the big gap down. If you look
Thought
at
today was
SPY,
the big gap down.
nah, if you look at SPY last if you look at SPY last year, it was when it took this dip.
I think fucking we gap down tomorrow, and then
Recover Friday?
no, recover tomorrow as well.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
A gap down, red to green morning. So anyone that got long today is gonna fucking shit their pants. Just reach full saturation, and then we just rip.
It's
I don't
gonna go
think we'll
down.
gap. I don't think we'll gap down anywhere like close to where we were today, but I think we do get a gap down tomorrow.
What's funny
It's
is
got. It's gonna back.
technically today didn't create a gap because it filled its own gap.
ES
You
is
agree,
a poor
C's?
high. Yeah, ES put in a poor high, so it means the first thing it's gonna do is back off after hours and probably fill it tomorrow. Not fill it, but repair that poor high tomorrow.
If we get a gap down to maybe like 38.50-ish area, tomorrow on ES, and just like I said, make anyone that went long today just shit themselves, full saturation mode, and then go green and just soar.
Yeah, because a poor high means there's no follow through to either stay at that level or continue going. It's like it went up and then backed off. So it's going to back off and then go back in and either go back to that level or push through it.
They just fucking cleaned the board off, dude, the last week.
You got
They
that
just
little
reset
broom
the
out.
fucking game, dude.
Fucking roulette broom.
Oh yeah, dude. They just they swept everything off the
sweeping
table.
it in.
There was a lot of saturation happening this week. Be honest, guys. Who closed positions?
I closed all my
I closed
pennies.
them.
That's it.
Who closed swing trade positions?
I
Be
did
honest.
for sure, but most of the stuff I bought back cheaper though, so it wasn't too bad. Also, like some penny stock shit just went to hell, so like I don't really have a choice. The last like week has been
I
killing it.
liquidated all those pennies. I'm all cash right now, and I'm up 157% on that account. I'm happy.
I opened new positions today.
151%, excuse me. $2 till close.
Well, you just added to PLTR?
Costco with a dirty close. Last time it had a nasty sell-off like this, though, it retraced the entire candle. So we'll see. Coming up on the weekly 50 moving average, too. If you did close, I wouldn't beat yourself up about it because it's hard to predict. Obviously, it could have kept melting, but the sign that kind of told you not to close was every single morning sell-off that we've seen the past few weeks that have been brutal have all been retraced. None of them continued.
It's all low volume sell-offs too.
Costco getting hammered into the close. See how that thing does tomorrow. Might murder me. Everything else is looking decent. FCAC fucking ripping. Here comes the bell. There it is.
There it is. I couldn't get filled on end phase. It kept running away from me.
Yeah, it's a big mover. I ended the day red, but nowhere near how much I was red this morning.
Don't even post a fucking red or green. Don't even post it.
It's a lot of reds already. I saw 2 greens at first, and I was like, "Oh, nice 2," and then
If you're green on the day, I would fucking promote you to admin. You're gonna I'm gonna sit down with you. You're gonna teach me what you did.
I think C's was green today, right?
I was, I put red because I literally, you're not going to believe this. I am red by the most minimal amount you can be red.
On a day like
$1?
today, I'd call that green.
Oh yeah, dude. If you're red by like fucking nothing, it's a blessing, dude. Take that as a W.
I'm red 2.5.
It's so
I
funny.
came back 3.5%, and that's a W in my book.
I was down 6.5, 7. I'm only down 2.5 now. I'll fucking take that.
I'm not kidding you guys. Look,
You're down $1. Oh my god. I fucking wish, dude.
Nice, bro.
If I would have bought that Snapchat call that I made, would have been green. Or if VIX would have fucking paid me this morning.
You need
I'm actually red on VIX today. Because of that recovery.
I guess because they know it always recovers.
I'm about to close this VIX tomorrow because I'm only up 3% now. I'm not fucking losing this trade when I called the bottom. Called the bottom on VIX and I'm close to losing money on it. Unbelievable. How did silver close? Silver closed strong, holding that pivot. If it holds that pivot for like 1 or 2 more days, this thing should rip. Nice, Calvin. Yeah, we had a lot of people that were down a lot that turned green. Or at least made back a lot of their fucking
See,
losses.
you lost $1 today? That is fucking
Yep.
awesome.
a
That's awesome.
fucking dollar, man.
That's a big win, bro.
You should stop trading C's. That's horrible, dude. You gotta eat ramen for a week.
The worst part is right after the market closed for good last night, I thought to myself, man, I need to get short. I should have got short and closed on my positions. And then I woke up and it was just murder.
We
I was like, I'll
close
get
on
short tomorrow.
XLF, huh?
Yeah, how did the sectors close? Almost every sector closed green except for XLK, XLY, XLV. XLE had a strong close, pulled back to the pivot and then ripped. XLF's not bad. It's a little toppy. Low time frames look good though. Little bulldog. Little bully. But alright, I'm fucking exhausted, which I'm sure everyone is. I'm gonna call it. Analysis will be late tonight. I'm not gonna be home, so probably around like 11, 12-ish. Be on the
Yeah,
lookout for
same
that.
here. Mine's gonna be late as well. Either it might even be overnight or tomorrow morning.
Yeah, so just make sure you guys are looking at that before the market opens tomorrow.
It's gonna be the same thing as I posted last night, guys. I don't have my eye on any specific charts. It's mainly, the main ones right now, SPY and Qs and IWM. I want to see, how this level holds. It held those levels that we posted this morning. But I want to make sure those hold before we start, picking up like a lot of new positions. If this is the bounce, then this is going to be a great opportunity for us.
For sure. Yeah, I'm gonna post late tonight, guys. Probably around 11 or 12. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow for the morning session and the stream at 3 p.m. Hopefully,
I don't think I've
Go ahead.
I don't think I've ever had a day where I was down exactly $1. This is crazy.
I forget what I was gonna say. C's, goddamn.
Sorry.
What was I gonna say? No, I don't know, dude. Fuck it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern, 9:30 a.m. As always, if you're in Discord. Peace out.